Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining the points A1, 5 and B4, 6 cuts the y-axis at. So let's try to visualize this situation. This is A1, 5 and this is B4, 6. And since given is perpendicular bisector, the point that lies on AB is bisecting AB, that is, it should be midpoint of AB. And the point that lies on the y-axis when connected to this point M is perpendicular to AB. So let's name it P, and since it lies on y-axis, it has 0 as x-coordinate and y-coordinate is to be found out. Now since it's given that M is midpoint of the line segment AB, we can use midpoint formula to get x and y. So x comma y is nothing but 1 plus 4 divided by 2 comma 5 plus 6 divided by 2. So we get x equal to 5 by 2 and y equal to 11 by 2. Now in order for this PM to be perpendicular to AB, since PM is perpendicular to AB, slope of PM when multiplied to slope of AB, it should give -1, because slopes of perpendicular lines when multiplied give -1. So let's see, slope is given by y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Slope of AB is equal to 6 minus 5 upon 4 minus 1, which is equal to 1 by 3, and slope of PM is equal to y, that is y we found out as 11 by 2 minus k divided by 5 by 2 minus 0, which is equal to 11 minus 2k divided by 5. So we can simply multiply this slope of AB multiplied by slope of PM should be equal to -1. So on LHS, 1 by 3 multiplied by 11 minus 2k divided by 5 equal to -1. That gives us 11 minus 2k divided by 15 equal to -1, -1. Then we simply take this over to this side. We get 11 minus 2k equal to -15, and we get -2k equal to -15 minus 11. So we get -2k equal to -26. So k equal to 13. Therefore coordinates of P are 0, 13. So let's see what are the options. Yes, answer is option A, 0, 13.